Welcome to lesson 11. In this lesson, we will explore the IWindow interface, a key prerequisite for managing windows consistently across our application. The IWindow interface includes several essential methods. Refresh list updates the displayed items. Reset display prepares the UI for new data. Clear display clears the current fields. Populate combo box loads drop down values. Saves handles insert or update operations. And new object creates a new instance for data entry. The purpose of the IWindow interface is to standardize how windows behave. By defining common operations, it promotes clean architecture and improves long-term maintainability. The IWindow interface defines a standardized contract for managing windows in our application. It ensures that every window follows the same structure and behavior, making the system easier to maintain and extend. Using the IWindow interface brings several benefits. It promotes clean, reusable code, ensures consistent behavior across all windows, simplifies development, and reduces duplication. This leads to a more organized and scalable application. When working with interfaces in C#, follow best practices. Always use the I prefix for interface names. Keep interfaces focused on a single responsibility. Avoid adding unnecessary methods and implement only what is required for clean, maintainable code. In summary, the IWindow interface provides a consistent structure for managing windows. It defines essential operations and supports clean, maintainable architecture throughout your application. If you have questions about the IWindow interface or how to implement it in your project, let us go through them now.